মাশরাফি বিন মর্তুজা একজন আদর্শ নেতা, একজন সৈনিক, একজন প্রকৃত দেশপ্রেমিক। ইনজুরি নামক অভিশাপকে বারবার পরাজিত করে তিনি ফিরে এসেছেন ক্রিকেটের 22 গজে। দুর্দান্ত বোলিং ও অসাধারণ ক্যাপ্টেন্সির গুণে বাংলাদেশ ক্রিকেটকে তিনি নিয়ে গেছেন অনন্য এক উচ্চতায়। তার ক্যারিয়ারের প্রত্যেক ডেলিভারির পিছনে রয়েছে এক একটি ত্যাগ ও সংগ্রামের গল্প। এই ভিডিওটিতে আমরা মাশরাফি বিন মর্তুজার সেরা 60টি ডেলিভারি দেখতে চলেছি। চলুন শুরু করা যাক।
Well, it hasn't paid off in the end because he's been cleaned up by Mashrafe.
That's close. That's very close. Yes, he's got it. A very, very crucial wicket. A Matthew Hayden, experienced player.
Whoa, that goes an appeal, a big appeal, and he's been given. That is the second wicket down. The ball jagging back. It's got him right in front of the stump.
He's made a move up the pitch. Let's have a look at this one. Jags back nicely.
Oh, bowled him. That's the way to respond. Mashrafe Mortaza has got the crowds all excited about this big blow.
Just came back, cross seam, came back enough, getting it past between the bat and bat, huge gap, and on to the middle stump. Enjoys it.
Big shout, and he's given him. Adam Gilchrist goes for a duck. Second ball. What a start for Mashrafe Mortaza.
And worked for this man, Ben Stokes, in form. Put him! Full and straight. And the captain is leading the way.
He's gone back for naught. England in the spot of ball at 26 for 4.
Oh, it's gone through, knocked him over. It's the in cutter again. Mashrafe Mortaza is delighted. He knows it's a big one. And the Bangladesh supporters also go up. It's been disappointing yet again for Virendra Sehwag.
He comes in, bottom edge. It's not the shot, it's not the time, and India lose their first wicket. A big breakthrough for Bangladesh.
To Mortaza. And the first ball is bowled out. He's let it go as bowling. First ball. What a breakthrough. What a start.
Fantastic start. After a break of 13 months, Mashrafe Mortaza bowls a beauty of a delivery in the very first one.